Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and today is gonna be first drive on the GX460. Oh my goodness, I keep saying GX, is GS460. It's because I'm used to this one right here. Anyways, let's see. As you guys know, the interior of this car is not the greatest, but yeah, let's go for a cold start. Nope, not now. You can hear it. That's the sound of the V8. As you can see here, we have rear sunshade. Oh, it's pretty hot in here. Took the emergency brake off. Yeah man, let's go for a first drive. Now this car is a little bit scary to drive because not scary, it's just because the suspension, I don't trust them. I don't know what's going on there, so I need to check stuff. But let's go for a first drive, man. All right, let's do this. And of course this car has power folding mirror. There you go. Put on a seat belt. The cool thing is, when you put this car on reverse, the rear sunshades slide down automatically, which is pretty cool. Whew, sounds of the V8, baby. Man, that thing feels quick, man. For a car with for a car with 173,000 miles on it, it feels quick, man. I have to tell you, if I'm being honest, almost 9 years ago, if I knew this car exists, I would probably get one of those instead of the IS350. Don't get me wrong, I love the IS350. I love that car, but just because this thing has a V8 on it, man, and the 8-speed automatic feels good. Let's see, and you can feel the V8. Put these windows up. Now it's hot in here. I don't want to use the AC because I still have to check the AC filter. I don't know what's going on there, but other than that, this car drives good. It's just like, I feel like the wheels, they're kind of going like this or like that. I think it's ball joint, I'm pretty sure, and the bushings as well. I don't trust them. I think that's why I don't want to drive this car too far. I'm just going to the store real quick, so I figured I take you guys for a spin with me. But yeah man, we have a lot of work, man, a lot of work to do with this car. The valve cover gasket is leaking, and coils, spark plugs, and I need to check that valve plate leak. And then once we get that done, and we'll go underneath of the car. And another thing is, I didn't know that I was gonna be off for 2 weeks of school. So my last day of class is September 14th. So between these 2 weeks, I will try to do the valve cover gasket and the spark plugs as well. Ah man, the thing feels quick. and I like the sound. I cannot wait to put in exhaust in this, and I want to do headers as well. I gotta do some cut back exhaust, headers, and a tune. That thing will be great, but not now though, not now. It's after. All right, I'm about to be at the store real quick. Let me go there if they open, and I'll catch you back on the way back. I'll catch you guys back on the way back. Man, I can hear this pumper thing just scraping. All right guys, welcome back, welcome back. A little warm start for you. Man, telling you, man, it's a hot day. Yeah, this car. I'm trying to get out of this Publix parking lot. Let's do that. Let's get out of here. People are looking at me crazy because I have a GoPro on my head. The steering wheel kind of feel all over the place too. Something is going on down there, and I don't trust this car. Remember, I show you guys those tires. There's little, this one right there, I believe has a little turbo on it, which is weird. Man, that was the longest light ever. Try the ECT power, which is sport mode for this car. Now I don't want to rev the car too much, but let's see. I don't know if that really do anything. I don't know. I'll tell you though, car feels great, man. I believe once we do all those maintenance stuff, it'll feel even better. Yeah. So just like that, that was our first POV drive on the Lexus GS460. I hope you enjoyed it, and take care. Good afternoon, good night. I will see you next time.